Vlog number 5, Wednesday 31st of August, around 11 a.m. Just had a really great prep Zoom call with the webinar speakers for next Wednesday, the 8th of September for the IICPD, Jessica Bartak-Healy and Neil Horgan barristers. We're specialising, the topic will be licensing and licensing law, licence through lockdown. Have a look at it here. September is traditionally licensing month, and the first IICPD webinar back after the long vacation is focusing on licensing and all things licensing matters. We have two excellent speakers, Jessica Bartak-Healy and Neil Horgan. They're both joining us here today. You're very welcome. Jessica, what can we expect for our webinar next Wednesday?
So I will be talking about liquor licensing during the lockdowns, and I'll also be discussing about objections to the annual licensing court.
That's great. And our second speaker will be Neil Horgan. Neil, it's been a really turbulent year with the COVID-19, particularly in the hospitality sector. How is this trickling through to the courts?
Well, like you'll be aware, Tom, I suppose in all court listings, including licensing, have been greatly affected, but I have to say great credit goes out to the court services and the judiciary for making things continue in what has been a really tough time. Personally, I've seen on circuit that judges and the court services have been flexible and allowed urgent licensing applications to be made during difficult times. And we've seen that also, and we'll touch on that in the CPD in terms of the annual licensing court and how the courts are dealing with that.
That's great. So Wednesday, the 8th of September at 1 p.m. Tickets are available at www.iicpd.ie.
Jessica, Neil, thank you so much. Really looking forward to it. I think there's a link below or maybe above this message to also get tickets. So thank you so much. So update on our 4-day week. So we had 1 week last week, which I think was a great success from my point of view and the staff's point of view. We got through, I would think, even more than the regular amount of work done on a Monday to Friday. Left Thursday 6 o'clock. Now, last week was a bit unusual that I had a file that I was committed to finishing on Friday, so I did have to work. I actually took a video last Friday, which I'll show you there. So our 4-day week officially kicked off yesterday. We finished up Thursday 6 p.m. But we had committed to completing a matter for a client this week, and it's ran into today. So we're away in Kerry for a few days, but I'm down at a place called Waterville. Just stopped off here for a coffee. I look at these beautiful surroundings. I'm on the way to Cahersiveen, where I think there is a digital hub where I can access to an office and use the AIB bank. But yeah, the 4-day week was a huge success. We got a lot of work done in the office. Staff left yesterday energized, all enjoying now the first day off of a 3-day weekend. I'm back again Monday morning. So I'm just here in Office Light, Main Street, Cahersiveen, and their printer's broken. So I need to print off something, sign it and scan it back to someone this morning. So I just met with Kaylee in Solicitor in Cahersiveen, who has been so helpful. Allowed me to use their printer, print off some documents, sign some of it, and she's now scanned it back. All done confidentially, and the documents will be shredded, but it just goes to show you it's great to have good colleagues. So thank you, Solicitors. Got quite a lot of DMs and messages after last week's vlog about the food trucks that myself and my buddies got. The Hook Truck and Grilly Grill that's based in the Cricket Club in the Mardyke. But we were also on Cork's 96 FM recently. We did a radio article on it. I just put a link to it here. You can hear a little bit of it.
Together they own the Hook Truck and Grilly Grill.
It was kind of a lockdown experiment, wasn't it? We tried out.
Yeah, so it's the three of us owners, Frank Brennan, myself and Jay, and we're three good buddies, and we've kind of looked at a few things down the last couple of years of a bit of sideline, bit of fun, start another business, and then the food truck thing kind of exploded in Ireland over the last 12 months, and we caught the trend. We had a new inquiry recently asking what court should we bring their case to. The jurisdiction of the courts in Ireland are dictated by the value of the claim. For personal injury cases, anything up to €60,000 should be in the circuit court jurisdiction, and anything above €60,000 should be heard in the High Court. That's the end of this week's vlog. Thank you so much for everyone who sent in messages and DMs of support. Love to hear the feedback. We've just also finished recording some podcasts today. They'll be out in the next few weeks. Some excellent guests lined up. Thank you so much. I hope everyone has a great week. I'll see you again next week.